Monitor, you will see that I have three graphics. One of them is the score of the game here on the upper left. Here is the score of the game on the lower right. And here is a full screen picture of the score. The problem with scores is that they change very quickly and that I want to change all of these graphics at the same time. It is possible for me to create buttons with this utility that will allow me to change all these numbers at once easily. Here are the numbers I've already made. These red buttons are for this number, these blue buttons are for that number, and these green buttons are for this text. Right now the score is 1-2, but if I add 3 points, now it's 4-2 here, and here, and here. So this is ideal for election returns and the obvious score examples where this information is rapidly changing but all has to be done simultaneously. Let me show you something a little nicer. Here, for example, is a graphic that I made for a particular player. It has his picture, it has his number, it has all of the statistics related to his performance. All I had to do is to make one graphic, and then I made an Excel file, a Microsoft Excel file with the information about the player. This database information comes up here with the names of the players, and I can choose the player whose information I want to display, and the graphic is automatically repopulated with that player's picture, information, and statistics. And if you look really closely, you'll see that 34 plus 4 is 38, and 34 is 89% of 38. This mathematics is being done in Excel. But this graphic is able to read the file and is able to display it. If my Excel file changes, like the player scores a shot or something like that, the graphic will automatically update with the new information. So it is always up to date. You don't have to do anything yourself. Let's have a look at something else that this particular capability of our system, it's an option called RapidCG, can do. For example, in our graphics, we can do things like put up real-time clocks and real-time timers. And we can put in things like RSS feeds. So you can have a news teletype running all night. People are thinking that you're typing that in overnight with late night help, and in reality you're just looking at RSS feed. You can also use this to do things like SMS and stuff like that. All you need to do is to bring this information in some form, such as an XML file, that this RapidCG option can see. And this just gives you an idea of what our product is all about. It is a very powerful tool that makes it easy to make a polished production, and also comes in many sizes. You can start with a small system, grow up to a larger system, and finally to the largest system. Please go to the www.broadcastpix.com website and pick up our brochure, which has illustrations of all of the aspects of our product, including Vox video follows the audio, many of the options that we have, pictures of all of the panels. And also don't forget that for pricing, Gencom is your best bet.